Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make slime without glue. So what you'll need is some water, some cold water, 1/3 of sugar, a bowl, something to stir with, something to put it in, and some borax. So let's get started. Dump your sugar in. Okay, and dump your borax in. Okay, so we have it equal ammonia. And then just stir those two together. Okay, so you're nice and thick. And then take your 1/3 cup, fill it up halfway or a tiny bit. Fill it up this much. Or you can see that good, tiny bit. Okay. And just stir that all together. And that will get your slimy conduction. And if it doesn't, it's okay because it's gonna start to look like powdered Vaseline. So this is not good to use on your lips, but it does have sugar in it, and the reason why you can't use it on your lips is because it has borax. And you just want to take a tiny bit of laundry soap, and it has laundry soap. So just stir those two together for that nice consistency. Okay, and then it will get you that right color that you want, a very light color. Okay, mine looks like this. Yep, let me over here. It's just like that. But this is good for this because the reason why is it good? Your answer is because. The reason why it is because, I'm sorry, I keep on saying because, it's because it has all that consistent. And just take it off and then you'll have that nice light shade. Okay. I'm just going to take it off the edges. Okay. And just spin it around while you're taking it off the edges. Okay. After it's off the edges, next, what you want to do is take your 1/3 cup of borax, just fill it up with some borax, not a lot, just a tiny bit, because we're not making a lot, it is consistent, a tiny bit, and take a tiny bit of water, like, until you get that cap full of water, tiny bit. If you made a little mess like I did, then set that stuff aside. Take your other part of it, you have different for this meat, and just stir it together. I'm sorry, the computer went off. And then take more water, if it's not that goodness like you do to make slime, then yeah, more water. It's still powdery for me, but I'm just gonna have that much. And then we have perfect, no adding more, no adding less, because it's gonna get this into your nice slime form that you would wish to have it in. So you just have it like borax. Then you want to take your slime dough, then dump that borax water slime in. Okay, and just stir those two consistence together. There we go. And just stir it together very, 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 very good. Add, if you need, not any more borax, but you want to add something else, some cookies. One handful of water mix. Milk, just a powder, and stir those two together. Okay, and then that is going to get you your nice little kind that you would wish to have. We go mix. Okay, then add 1 or 2 cups of that. And then just stir all together. Now, it's turning into dough. Softer, still turn this into dough. Then, what you want to do is, you want to take it, but add some borax this time. I'm probably going to have to go to the store and buy more borax. And just stir it together. And then just stir it together if it's not giving you a nice little slimy dough texture, and add more water to it. Perfect. And just stir it together. Now to get you more of that perfection, take your teaspoon again and fill it with borax. Okay. I'm doing a tiny bit of with water. 2 capsules. Tiny bit of water. 1, 2. 2 capsules, okay? And just take it, just fill whatever you're using, just stir it with, just take it and clean it off. And you're not allowed to dump this down the sink. Okay, and then just screw those two together and just dump it in. Is that nice? Okay, and just throw that in there. And then mine turns out into a lima green. Okay. I'm using a bag to store it in. Just thanks for watching.